All right, I got my machine. Check it out. Oh yeah. Yeah, got it in here. It's pretty cool. And I got a bunch of strawberries. I went to Benson Park Pecans. That's where we got the strawberries. And then we went back up to where the watermelons are. And we planted some strawberries up there, and I planted some strawberries here at my house. Got some strawberries here in the room here. But yeah, right now it says 92 degrees and 91.3% humidity. Yeah. Everything's growing amazingly. And man, in a day, that room has completely changed. What I had in there before was just a humidifier off of Marketplace, and then a heater, and then I've got a little intake fan that blows. So I can keep the temperature about right. But before I had that, what would happen is it would get the room up to about 80% humidity. The room would be around 90 degrees. And then nighttime would come, the room would cool off, and all that moisture in the air would fall to the floor because those machines they throw out everything, all of the particles, and our machines only throw out the lighter particles, smaller particles. So that means they don't fall to the floor or to the ground when the temperature changes. So I got the new machine and I got to put it in. I got it all hooked up. Man, right now I have it at around 91 degrees and 90% humidity. And it's staying pretty stable at that. Did a lot of stuff. I got the wind system in. I got to improve on that. I need some more fans, some more inline fans to create a breeze. But then, yeah, man, I'm so excited. These plants are doing great. This banana plant, it's grown like 3 inches since I put it in there.